Okay, so we have the experience and expertise in selling these cars, the new Range Rover Sport. Over the last 6 months, the prices have sort of evened themselves out, haven't they, to become now an excellent buy if you're looking for a new Sport. As well as analysing the prices, you know, every day, every week when we're buying these cars, we're also analysing what customers want, and we judge that on how quickly the cars sell when they come in. So we only want to buy cars that sell, just like every car dealer does, and we bought this. Now, the reason we bought this is because of the colour combination, and the spec it's got. So Borasco Grey, without doubt for us, is the best-selling colour for this car. Now, that colour means that when we get these cars in, they sell straight away because of the colour combination, the light cloud interior. It's another really big, important factor for us. And then the sliding sunroof. This car is a 23, really low miles, with the right colour combination, dynamic SE, like I say, Borasco Grey metallic, with the light cloud interior and the sliding sunroof. It also got the 22-inch SV bespoke wheels with black calipers. So in a package, and honestly, the way we're pricing this car, it should sell straight away because that's what we want. We know it will. We've priced it to the market. It's going to be gone. So if you're interested, get in touch straight away. It's also got a full black roof, black mirrors. So the black styling pack is sort of half there because it's got the black roof and black mirrors, but it's got that rose gold accents to it as well, which people really love. Lots of boot space, assisted tailgate, 300 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel. If you've never seen one of these cars before, you might not have done. They've got air suspension, they've got a brilliant drive, lots of power, and then the most up-to-date technology you will find in a four-wheel drive. Heated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. The sliding roof is a big, big feature, Meridian sound memory seats, all those celebrated Range Rover Sport attributes you've always loved and they've always sold the cars. This lovely speaker system from Meridian looks great into the door. Electric memory seats, like I've mentioned, electric child lock. Safety features are out of this world, but really it's the drive of the car. The seating position, when you get in it, it just feels like, well, it feels like nothing else. It feels like a Range Rover Sport has over the years. Great drive, lovely tight position, lovely sporty seats, but just updated now, which is fab. Adaptive cruise, like I say, heated steering wheel, blind spot assist, digital interface, and then we've got this lovely, massive interface inside, which is all touchscreen, navigation, Bluetooth, media, wireless smartphone charging just underneath the screen here, wireless smartphone integration, four-wheel drive terrain settings. We've got different drive heights for the car, switchable through ride height here. We've got obviously in access, when I jump in and out, it lowers down normal. When we drive in the car, it raises up and then you can take it off-road. Then we've got the camera system, 360 camera, 3D camera, reversing top view, all the latest technologies which we love, and different drive mode switchable through this jog. We've got a tracker on this particular car as well for your insurance if you need one, but it's the combination of that colour and the interior colour that's going to sell it. Super low miles on a 23 on the website now. Hopefully I've explained to you why we bought this car and why you should be buying it. It's a great price, it's the right colour combination. Thanks for watching.